murimo jwa nyimba ni jutwikite mpanga inene nthigurune ya Kenya njai nyingi kiringikanie kubira bekumane na murimo jojo na gutigwa nkya kana na marandu jaraja kubane na goro inene ya kurigita mpangeje pangaeje ya nyimba yakionekana kumakia Kenya baba ingi kirabatuire nakyo ni wirigiro kumakire mawira neja atongera bao bagisiasa bare o kirima mburaja mathiko bekaga mawira nejara maingi jakirema gukinyanira muthenya jwantukya naru thirikari nene na cia county cia rutererwa kirimara nichongerete wira nebu kire ikarobire mwanya birabi kuthithikirite Nairobi bakiuga ati bakongera kathari gakongana kurwana murimo jojo nikumania na onto bobo nikyo tukubona arua tugukuria kwethirwa nukuthugane thirikari nene na cia county ni kugita bakongana kurwana mpanga eje thirikari nene ri na cia county ni kugita bakongana kurwana murimo jwa nyimba aranira abautwe 23578 ijire ithatu ithano mugwanja inyanya ni namba yetu SMS kurukina withiro gitiga gichokyo gyaku ukurukira Facebook na YouTube nkethirwa nkethoma ntumiri ciaku ora tugwitana mbere na Nteto iji onbitagwa NTINYARI KINYUA cyane jamajara tukupanga direto tukubona arua kiri Nteto chetu. Ubunge wa Central kirimango chine kuarura murungamo kaire na kugare thirikari ni Ruto nyuma ya gutumiria nthama kiumia kithiru.
As we speak, the police have become an existential threat to our democracy.
Akiama babia maberutere ruragania thirikari kuandikithia ripoti na ipoa iguru ya ikarikari gorontere cia Murang'a. Kaunti cia Kirimara gwika muchemano jwa kwariria murimo jwa nyimbo ndino Minister munene Musalia Mudavadi ataririte mibango ya thirikari iguru ria murimo jojo. Narua tugakuretera gicunci kibiere kia rugonoro mwanya rwa nkatha cio tongeria. Kugwatogeni okaire morin criminal monaniro mathithio tukubona arua. Ubunge wa Central kirimango chini na garurete kajokawe na kugana kugwata mbaru thirikari ya William Ruto bobo bwejite ntuko inkai nyuma yawe kumira werune na kumeneria thirikari akiuga ni kuthukia kithomo Kenya na ndingo chini augite ageta na mbere kuika thirikari ni untoni boba amichwire no ugati ageta na mbere kuria biuria nare omba kona mantu jatitite bwega mutugikare no ina Nteto ije.
National Assembly sisi hatuko pande ya serikali, ours is to oversight the government.
Ni migambo ya mujumbe wa Central kirimango chini akiaria ntuku inkai kurukite araige kenu akiuga kirutero thirikari na wari kirutero mbunge arangu yawe ni kuthuja thirikari riri wathanine na ndinaru anterecha gikuru kiagune thirite gichincha migambo iji na thira akiuga ati omba gochwa thirikari na miebera na akiuga no mwanka bethire bakiuria thirikari je bioria
bakothioro kabakiwa tokauma thirikari-ine ibamenye bau ni arongo totiuma thirikari-ine ende kioria kire kwenda kurua thirikari-ri gatotibweri kuria mbere ni akwe makosa ya kuria kioria tuorie ina mbeca cieto ile ciana kuthoma imakosa tuga mbeca ni gochererwa itereja imakosa ibo gwetekeria tora yebioria bwe bobo enda mujumbe okwaria kana otekwaria
Kuruki mujumbe kirimana ugite ari thirikari neje na maguru jojairi no raumbi kana kuba ingira omenoka kuruka na murango gwithira gite intobia gicigo mbunge kiawe
gutuma thirikari ne na inyora gerio to ingira tukaringa murango tugatonya tugetia kira tugweteria ntoba iguru tugatwenga thirikari ne inyothe thindo cia area tugatwenga kwe baba chiometie kuona ba utothorithania thirikari ende thirikari tutemerana nio nonto nio ndeti ntobio bionde
muthiene mujumbe ngochine na rombete atongeria regani na thirikari kwithira bakia thirikari rais William Ruto kanya kakwithira keritira karingoge
babwe kabo kwenda bwe tumake thirikari baba kuthiuruka na ya na bia mabibi inge bigwetwa PNU DCP na bibi inge batetwe kanya togaiterwa ngogero ii kabo korega twitera ngo bwi thirikari baba anga gweko bena ko gagutwa babwete bwo botare thirikari ye ende agwitera ngo gakwe makosa na ndato kuromba baba kuthiuruka na kiama kiu kia DCP na kiama kiu kia UMP kiu kia Kawira na kiama kia PNU na biama biu bingi bawamaro na bakaronzo ibatuwe kanya twiterwe ithirikari yetu era twatarire
turitania ngwa mweshimwa kirima ako mweshimwa no kwenda turita ngugi ukigwa kuwa ngwa na ndi mweshimiwa uni ndi mwana mweshimwa kirima na ndi mwana mweshimwa kirima tukaritanira ngwitu gintu ki
kuma kiago gicigo mbunge kia Central nkiripoti ratito cia Weru riakwa rietwa ni Mutugi Kare.
Abunge na thingatiba biama bia DCP ya Rigathi Gachagua, DAP-K ya Eugene Wamalwa na bawaipa ya Kalonzo Musyoka muthenya jona aruani bakinyete obisine cha ipoa muchijo Nairobi gwikia mateta jao igurura makarika ja iguru ntere chia Murang'a bariuga bari na ukuje bure abo kanenkanirwa kire ipoa kuonania ati borithi ne batumire inyankurukia kithimi na kubaguraria na kinya kuinyange ngari chiao ndire bararigairia kugita muchemano jao muthenya jwa Jumapili. Anthony Kathenya na gutwachie Kenya.
Nyuma yatongire babandi ndega na thirikari kwithukirwe igoro ni polisi bare Murang'a na musemano wa kwangaratana na ntubaingi kugura rothuku amona ngari kunangwa bioni muthenya wa mretongire babara ukire kwerekere kwa imwe mpaka obisi njanki amya gusonkono tungata ba polisi nkiamea ipoa.
I welcome you all to this meeting, this forum. We have here for us members of parliament.
Batongere tuni mutongura kema kia DAP Eugene Wamalwa ni bamenilete mekareka megoro na ntuko ingi na malaba gwetete ni thirikari Rais William Ruto ithirito igitumira polisi kubenderio keri na kwangaratana misemani yao.
As we speak, the police have become an existential threat to our democracy. We have a system that has weaponized them, independent institutions, and is now weaponizing the criminal justice system, where most of these members have now been branded terrorists and young people. And we're not just talking about targeting the opposition, Honorable Chair. We're also talking about targeting civil society. And the police are being used, actually, to create a state of fear and terror in the country. We have a reign of terror, and the police are the ones being used.
Atongere babaki gwetaga mekarika maingi mala polisi jithirito igitumika kuthukangia na kwangaratana misemani atongere babandega na thirikari kwa mwerekera baki gwetaga mekarika maria ulali munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua ethirito akithukilwa.
They literally damaged all the windows, all the side mirrors, it is actually a cost of more than 2 million. They shot around 6 times when we were lying down, the two of us. And they told us to shout 2 term. Unless we shout 2 term, they are going to kill us.
A command can come to get one police officer from Nairobi to join other police officers from Kiharu, and they go and cause the mayhem that they caused. So it's something that is of concern, and we would like it addressed.
Kulingana na tongore baba pandindega na thirikari nkiamene aipoa no mpasi sonko ni mabisa ba polisi balabe thirito bagitumilika kuthithia weki na ibobu bakeli thege kidro bobu kathi na mbele mauntu makathi na mbele kuthuka.
With your mandate, Honorable Chair, I think you stand between us as a nation and anarchy because of a rogue police force that, unless it's reined in an election that is just a few months to come, we are entering that critical stage, Honorable Chair. You have been in IEBC. What Krigler talked about, 2 years to the election. We are entering that period. In another 2 weeks, we'll be entering that period. So any situation that would allow pre-election violence will be a threat to our democracy, particularly the democratic elections that are coming, that are likely to be historic in terms of having the first one-term presidency in the history of it.
We have, of course, called out the police on the excessive use of force. We have also called out, of course, the goons who are being used and being protected, and the unprecedented level of violence that we have seen. It's a matter of great concern to me. As a former chair of IBC, I think I don't like where it's going. It's going to get bad, and I think we need to have, even you guys as the political leaders, perhaps you need to find a way of engaging with your counterparts.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.
Magavana barutererwa Kirimara niboketie bioria gurure wongere kubwa murimo jo nyimba ntereyu bagechwa ntaina cha kuthiria murimo jo Thaa Ithatu mpanga bakere Jumatatu rukiri kire kigomano kya magavana bangwataniro ya Kirimara New Central Region Economic Block batongeretwe n'umukaririgiti wa Mutai Kaiga magavana baba baruganje nyingi ni tetendwa bao kumania na murimo jojo na kwa ukure na gitumi gya kurwana jukure kagiteno kau na Minister Munene Musalia Mudavadi augite Kenya ni kwibangania gutwika garo ya kurigita kuthomera na kumenyera ajiba kansa na kugate kuri na gitumi ya kugwatanira na nthiguru che gitaru giki kurwana murimo jojo nyimba. Mtuko uye narwa magavana kuma Kirimara batongeretwe ni gavana wa Nyeri Mutai Kagwe na Tharaka Nithi Onesmus Muthomi Njuki ni bejete amwe gucokaniria KINYUA
$7.5 in Kenya shilling.
Moroto jo muchemene jojo jure gutwira ntaira mpanga ya kansa ire yonekete kwanda nkunyurutere ruru.
As a CEREB, we would want to take one collective decision on how to tackle the challenges we have. While the NOREB might be struggling with malaria and TB, here we are struggling with non-communicable diseases, and it's upon us to work towards solving our problem.
Bakiere magavana baba ni batarireti anto kurega kuthimwa kansa mbere tambaje yothe nere anene.
Most of these cancer conditions are normally detected when they eventually get to level 4 and level 5. Sometimes it's very late. Even for people who are enlightened, is that late? Even most of the people usually fear being tested or being diagnosed because they think when they're told they have cancer, it's a death sentence.
If we are able to, at stage 1 and stage 2, we are able to check that and treat and do whatever, isn't it? And that is our weakness, because as a country, you all agree that. Many times until you are frail, until you are weak, until you are almost in stage 3. I personally lost my father-in-law last year because he was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer at stage 4.
Miari eje no yonekete kuma kanyuene ka Minister Munene Musalia Mudavadi kire kigomano gya kansa muchine jo Nairobi.
Cancer is a growing national and global challenge. It continues to exert a profound toll on the lives of Kenyans and health systems. The burden of cancer is not just medical, it is economic, social, emotional, and psychological.
Musalia akiuga no mwankando angiche gitumi chieje amwe kienda gutanganira na muntho ujo.
We must embrace a multisectoral national response to cancer. We must break down silos. The Ministry of Education must ensure that cancer awareness is integrated into our school curricula and life skills programs. The Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, as well as the Ministry of Investments, Trade and Industry, must regulate cases in... Wow, this one is a big one.
Kiremamburo jaja Minister wa ugima CS Duale na athirite mibango ira rwangiruru rukujukia kwagirithia utungata bwa kansa.
Through the National Equipment Service Project, we are strengthening our cancer care by equipping our national and county referral hospitals with essential screening and treatment equipment.
Na gavana wa Kisumu ure wanagwanjarene cha kansa agitariria ura county chiomba kuthithia kienda kurwana mpangeje.
Counties must operationalize the national strategies pillars, from prevention and screening to diagnostics, treatment and palliative care at every level of the health system. 2, stakeholder coordination must be institutionalized. National government, ministries, county departments, healthcare workers, NGOs, community health volunteers, and development partners must align on plans, funding, and messages.
Kigomano giki gikuretete agwati mbaru mwanya mwanya kuma sekta cionthe nthigurune. Munene wa Ritingo obisini ya Gavana Daktari Julius Mbijiwe nekete gikaro na munene wa Bisaba ukaria bwa county na arungamiri ba municipal jwa Meru kubangira biatho bira bikwirigirwa kuthithikira county ne untukunite kuraja county ya Meru niwe kathithikira matinda ja ndwimbo cia skuru matinda ja MCA na Kinyamwe na kigomano kya youth akira Daktari Mbijiwe agita kuri na gitumi gikinene ya kubangira ageni na gwika mitaratara ya ukaria na kinyogende muthuri murioki na gotwacha
kiribime bitatu biejete kaunti Meru eketho ekiamugira magiri ageni nonto bamambure jare kitho kithika kwa mbere ni kigomano kya mbo imbithi kira kirigite kuthithwa nene kaunti Meru bajaire ni sukuru cionthe cia secondary na primary iketho chitaja Meru kuchinda na kima chino ja ndwimbo na batatu ni county assembly cionthe cia Kenya ciejete aja nonto bamichetho mbobo ni kuringana na mutongiri wa ndiko obisine bwa gavana no Dr. Julius Mbijiwe kagita karia aguchemenie na mabisa bakanju bakibangania uria bakamenyera mutiro kanga kagita kau
chokia nkatho sana nyaki gavana nontu no tumite tumba kwithira ruwa muno tukaya twina ageni baba ingi ndene ya Meru town yaja na aso county onde nzima gukethera kuri na National Youth Week tariki 6 mugwanja na 8 pau ni antu ngiri imwe para bakethera ageni baketha bete guko Meru guketha kwina National Music Festivals misetho ere kethero mantu ja ndwimbo kuma primary school, secondary, colleges, universities cia Kenya ikethia ya ujo Meru County kuma tariki 3 mwanka tariki 15 na the same time itukwirigira ruwa muno kwithira kwina misetho ya assembly county assemblies wa county assembly sports association ni rete misetho ya county cionthe assemblies cia Kenya yonde aja
amna bubu Mbijiwe na rombete akariba Meru betho bakibangana nto bageni baba nenya gutigira ibako bamenyera kagita karia baketho begeku
kwitu kwenda kuria anturi betu ba mutindwa na aturi ba Meru county yonde kwithira ageni bayo abaingi sana tuya tubagwate ogeni tubaye gitio pamo bakara bakojura hoteli ne barale nyanja cietu na uo kwa ewa accommodation then akisha ntuba kwithira bagikara bubwega safely na ne ageni betu na bamenye kenda Meru yumba kwithira ikara bubwega nkuruki tuli aririe mantu yage ngiri magana ya na 400,000
indi amna bubu nekenda kwagirithio tungata nkuruki baba isaba kanjo bawite nandi kire budget ya mwaka jojo baketha bakiagirithio ritingo gibwao na munya kubaithia nkathi na kongera bangi baba ingi nikenda kona nambe kongereka nonto bama mabisa baba ibetere chendo muru baraba konekana bagita nguginjega kikura na maitha
officers baba governor na propose dene ya budget tumba kwa tukinya scheme of service wensho inyabo pa kumba kwithe mutaratara ne yo bwega na araba andiki pomba kwithira bena proportion cia ire smooth over and above and bara promoter dene ya Meru county twina scheme of service then ikomba kwa Andres and three officers betu bwega nkuruki once again nchokia nkatho muno nonto for the last 1 month ire mongombe ciageretie kuiwa na ikuiwa ciathingatua na ciachokua kupongezi nonto itimu imwe rumite kuma kiriro mbere guchokia na ndi baranyanyire barabaritaira baritango ginde countine ne tukwirigira kiri budget na ndi twina yo then bonge bakomba kuongerwa at least kenda gutuka gutina upungufu bomba kwitha bakiaja na service ndene ya area yu na wakisha still town yetu kwitha sie safe
amno bubu kuringana Mbijiwe augitina ni muto jwa gavana ni gutigira thoko cionthe ci kuthura kamiti iriketho irungamite thoko iji
gavana natangazire very clearly by tariki 30 mweri jwe nana by 30th of August all markets all towns isiweza kwenda sina committees sub county administrators wale now one administrators liaise with the members of the county assembly by 30th all markets isiweza kwenda sina committees including mutindo aja gakoromone as per the directive of the governor of Meru
muthuri murioki Weru TV mutindo kangangi
Kurikania kiuria gietu tukubona aru akiregwa turi kure thirikari-ini na chama county ni kugitaba kung'ana kurwa na murimo jwa nyimba no kuthugania thirikari-ini na chama county ni kugitaba kung'ana kurwa na murimo jwa nyimba etana mbere kwaranira about 23578 niyo namba yetu SMS kana kinya no ithrogi tiga gichokio giaku kiri mitandao yetu ya Facebook na kinya YouTube. Thirikari ikomba gutethia na kuboresha sekta ya afya kwa huduma kwa wote. Ni mimi Kirimi Sila kuma Ntereche Idhalie Alice kuma Kiremu aruga nyimba ni kali sana. Kwanza Meru serikali ya Ruto inafaa kujua tunakufa. Etana mbere kwa rana about 23578 twachokera toka una county ya Tharaka Nithi na ramo bunge wa Ekuru county ne Susan Ngoge Mwindu agutetera etura regamba ng'ombe akiwa nirithiritwe wa kagita rekiringithanwa na mantu Jatebui. Ninyume kagita gate kuraja Kebebe Mutambo.
Kambuni yetu ya Rhino Mabati egwethete maguriko kugwithia kiri mabati jonthe. Kenero ofa yetu special ya factory kiri mabati jonthe ja tile profile, za Germania tile, Jamii tile, Espana tile, Jamii tile na Roman Jamil tile gauge 28 made. Ara maguricha gwete kuma magana jana na ja mirongo ire mwanka magana mugwanja ja 45 wa kilomita, gauge 30 made kuma 680 na ndene 625 for meter na gauge 30 glossy kuma 575 na ndene 499 ake. Okenda mbeshe cia kuciurire goro ja toye murangi turiongire na arua ukenere offers cietu nawe mumeru akiuga murojo na inchoni ukuruva mwato aja Rhino Mabati twethirwe tugikuthondekera mabati kwa miaka nande na tutakuringa nthi. Turiongire industry yetu ya Rhino Mabati erere kithoka njire ya Meru gweta Ruire kana turingire thimu namba 0729 628199 kana 0740 229609 weka order yaku. Ameru ndewerere mbere ng'ombe gekaragwa. Rhino Mabati, mabati jetu tukarie bietu. Rhino Mabati, do it best on top.
Moxi Aluminium nio nduka enjero buria hadu ya Meru iria gukwa into bionthe byo kuthongomia nje kuna kinyobisi kuna maguri ja mega. Turi na into mwanya bithongi ja aluko board sheets, polycarbonate sheets, car shade net, stainless steel wax, perspex glass, aluminium wax, bathroom cubicle, frameless glass door, glass balconies, glass wax, insulation sheets, locks union kanayel, acoustic ceiling na skylight kana pagola. Turi mita inka ya kiruterero muthomurango nejo gutonyera Greenwood City Mall Meru. Iturukurantu kuchionde kuma Jumatatu mwanka njuma kwambira thejiri charuki iri mwanka thaa 10 muciogoro yontu bwante tonkuruki yongira nduka yetu kana uturingire thimu kurukira 0706446198 bwinthe ibogwa tiogeni.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wase, iko on. Kila game ina matter. Reconnect now. Dial *423#.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu yake?
Kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ni mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi nyenye na kamusere.
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea.
Mogori wa kinyandu kene eti ya motujwa nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamujo muthongi na nikwetaga ugwe na nje ku nutrients na shio shabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watuikawe na kioria yendekithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
She nice na nice extra premium.
This month on Star Times, and the drama never lets up. Loyalty is tested in a war for power on gangs of Manila. When blood and truth collide, truth tests loyalty. Welcome to Sagrado. Watch Gigi's ruthless quest for justice in beautiful revenge. Experience the epic love story of Rama and Sita in Ramayan. Two sisters, one destiny. Together, they are unstoppable on Divya Drishti. Renew your subscription for 2 months on your current bouquet and we'll upgrade you to the next high bouquet absolutely free for 2 months. Don't miss a single heartbeat. Stream all your favorite channels and shows on Star Times on Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Pakigweta na mbere kurumira Nteto chetu tugichokera mubunge wa Weru County nethora kanithi Susan Ngugi Mwindu no URETERI atongera batige kugwetaniria itura ria Igamba Ng'ombe na motho kuna untwire tabwa ntano chiari akiuga ati mitugo ije nkurukini kagita Mwindu aruga kariba wodeu ni batiganira na mantu jajana na ndikinyabo ni bonete Weru Mwindu aritejeja kagita gakureta munini umweru wa chibo we Igamba Ng'ombe tora tukumenyithwa ni Paul Wakabithe.
Gerekire mambura magwikirwa kiraoni kwa bwana Maurice Mutei Kamemehora na assistant chief imbia wakamendesa blockation muthenya gwe mthe itia kari mono wadini eno he Igamba Ng'ombe gutigiri bakuibebaniria na ntano cia anabare henu ntu kuringana ripoti ni ati itura riri tigiritwe nyuma na ntano ino
haijaisha vile tunataka kujifanya. Vinye imefanya imeenda chini. Kuna watu wameanzia kufanya ile tunaita medical inafanywa kwa hospitali. Tunailaja ipika inaitwa ndengo. Green grams. Sidi inaitwa kunde. Nani haja pika? Sikuna kuanga na ile ivangi. Munafikiri hata wanadamu hapa hakuna? Sasa ukisikia mheshimiwa anasema kitu ya kwanza nimesema nashukuru watu hapa, najua kuna wakati ilikuwa mingi. Lakini ikienda watu wamefanya vizuri, wamepambana nayo. Na ndio nikasema yule ambaye atafanya hilo jambo ni kinyume ya katiba na sheria. Children's Act is very clear on that. Na unatakiwa ufungwe.
Gamo jume mwekoro kontini nathara kanithi mheshimiwa Susan Ngugi Mwindu no rankurukia kurikiri mambura mama no akitheria ati ni riboti ya urongo na irankurukia kuthukiria kariba itura riri itwa nuntu ntano cia anabare cia twikire rugono muno kontini nathara kanithi
twatiganie nacio kore anto bakwenda kenda bendera kutukumaga na daraka nithi bakiwindano ciare bakorwa nacio tuwe mwendaria mwekoro mwe oruga twana toto ari tutande to Igamba Ng'ombe twere tugenge twaciarwe twatanwa ngambera mbira mwanka gutwana tutore akirire achokokana akembera yare ntikwiye anganeciara tafadhali darakanithi tuliacha mambo ya toara ya wasichana na tusikae tukiaibishwa kila siku kwa marendio na kwa ma TV nentaro ntigere Igamba Ng'ombe nitigereko hata mimi naibika bwana county commissioner
Uthia muthia Susan arutite mukana kiri baraba gutambia urongo bobo
Gena ndoto ciena mbio ciena guma na gwa mtu nagira werengia kuruta darakanithi kenda tegerwa kwendera kuria wambesha darakanithi tena ci darakanithi nyingi muno cia cukuru twana tukia toto tena binci ekoro babandi sebondi ekoro ntigwa tena ci darakanithi cia roje cia mbinde no kwinkodo wana rekire cia ntano cia reba ntoga no togotana cia werengia kuruta ne ekoro baba koro machibo mama kabora dina na reire cia romire nyongo cia gatero go cia tena cia ekoro baba jie baba tigro na ekoro baba topambana nacio tutiokaranga tukira ntano ciare na koroba gonkoyera hindi orokete wakati tukaibishwa darakanithi na kani kama mimi mama content inasema mtahiri na hakuna kitu kama hiyo sawa sawa si tena kunini lakini ni vizuri tusemange mambo ambayo yako na facts.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma wadini ya Igamba Ng'ombe kaunti ni darakanithi Bito Paul Wakabithe
Siasa tiontubo mainya kikirirugono rwa mwanya kuru ni batharite kiri siasa ya kuru ibambirite guchakira rietwa riao ni bonete nkindo chia marumi kuru wanabona kujukirwa takabatiumba na kiri siasa watho bakung'anania mumbirere ibutethete gutigira ekuru ibakonete bege siasa aitumibe gutonya siasa nene mbio untwire bure ibwamukirite otongere bomwe kuru modinkinya hari na gichunchi kabiri kya rugono rwa mwanya kadachi otongeria.
Watho bwa kung'anania mumbire kiri utongeria bwekirwe kiri katiba nikenda gutigira ekuru na ntwarume ibakuona twanya twa utongeria gutina kwendera. Watho bo ibombete kurikithwa na gukinyanira kaunti ya Meru.
Wantu tema ninjeto achieve ya Meru na sababu iri nyingi. Number 1 ni culture. Itutura na culture ku ante athuimuka ukona akabate kuthura buru mto muka ituria kuromba kura kintu kembera oraswani mukoro kuno ani bana be wenabo so ukona aledi mbere nyeta kuthura mbere na thunguthire nkele imbingi. Number 2 atake political parties onto bo officials babingi kuthania arume na mukono wethira tena ability mbesa eta harenya kunengora ticket ne na support in ground watake kintu tuita nominations. It is very unfortunate batu tore kuroba Meru toriwa thene to embere nomination because kuma 2013 monka 2022 bara ba nominate 2013 kira ke bathithage ibia mabachenjaia
anto 24 ibabwite kwithwa bena responsibility yontubuna where they can be accountable of na ndijo ngokwira na ndijo tukuga the empowerment of women and the youth bakethira na ndi mantu jau ijao
nonto nyakwa ndekwa then either county and the national government to batara kwetha twe rukagathe to dance room na te county nyingi nyagi kwandikana chumbaga gukurukia onto bou nenyotagera Meru nande itukwaraia tha ingi mantu janya advisors bara the new governor dithirie bure achwire gutemwa kururio lakini narandi tangu Nyeri county twena advisor, actually the advisor, the legal advisor wa my governor I mwekoro na economic advisor I mwekoro na two other advisors who are men.
Batu turenda ku achieve 2/3 gender rule through the ballot. No kuigwa no to already ko nyomwera mindset yeset yaja ekoro bukarunga meni bakengitana na itebia mbipia nomination. Ba ekoro bakarega kuthithia ata bakarega bakorirwa who nominated you are under the party mercy of the party okaja kuthithia kintu kidogo umetolewa lakini udhuria kura you are the boss. You can vote the way you want to vote depending on what your people are telling you.
Kuna appointive positions na kuna elected positions. Appointive nira nitebira bia kwa appointwa au tutetete bothuku muno. I think last time that statistics it were achieve 30% in the higher cadre minya kuna the executive positions na kuna the middle level positions. In the middle level positions tuisasawa. In the top executive positions aunyo kuna challenge. But we are better in the appointive positions than kiri elective positions.
Munini wa ngavana Linda Kiome ne kuga thirikari ya Meru amona Kenya yonthe ne kugeria kiri kung'anania mumbire.
Kinya ndene ya Meru County no kuona governor, deputy governor imwekuru, CEC's governor na nenkanirete CEC's kadha kiri ekuru kinya boards iria ikunenkanirwa governor je irare icho ina ekuru ndene ya board yu na kinya muyuth na nenkeri ke board yu na kinya ngugiri kunenkanirwa kanika nenkanirwa ndene county governor na focusite muno kugeria ku balance gender kinya kethara ara county assembly yetu imwekuru mwaki Mrs. Morogosho uronenkeri gite kia elected member of county assembly nominations chapate ichiajire chia rungamirira kanya karia kario na kinya national assembly
kanya twanya tura twanenkanero itokung'anania ekuru ki elections na kinya Senate. In fact, I think Senate itebira bionde bianenkanero in almost 95% ibia ekuru.
2027 ire ekuru bakenda kuumira boya tukaumara turi because dai omote yo turi but 2027 ekuru bakaumira na weru bunene at least abakari mionto ninketha nkiromba kura na bangi baratuko prospect bakaromba kura inkuromba ni to achieve 2 kinya through ndrebe tuka look for nomination dai to na 145 ne onto ekuru bate oziumeria to durant 15 bare ladies to achieve 1 gender rule.
Kiama kia UDA ni kirutite musiasa Leonard Muriuki kurwira giti kia mbere North kire kithurano kinini kira kijite kenda kujuria kanya kara gatigirwe ni Geoffrey Ruku nyuma ya gutarwa kire kanju ya maminista na tora tukirwa ni Rita Mwaniki ni ati kuri na bangi mugwanja barabarenda gatigitije na kiama giki kia UDA ario speaker wa mbunge county Josiah Thiriku barana ndi betikirite kugwata mbaru Leonard Muriuki.
Leonard Muriuki niwe uvetwe tigiti ya kiama kia UDA kurwira igiti kia mumbunge wa mbere iguru thiini wa kithurano kinini giukite mweri wa kairi mwaka muku. Thiini wa wigusano uria wari kuo vau kavereri ni ati ateti aria engi mugwanja aria marendaga giti giki na kiama wa giki ati makarugamana uria ukavewa kamweke kau. Aya mugwanja ni speaker wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Embu niwe Josiah Thiriku, Dan Bongo, Konji Kwayo, Murage Njagagua, mumbunge wa Vukavereri wa mbere iguru niwe Muriuki Njagagua, speaker wa Vukavereri wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Embu niwe Kariuki Mati na John Makindu. Itua riri rirekikire muthenya wa igoro thiini wa thingira wa iregi varia muthamaki wa bururi niwe William Ruto, governor wa kaunti ya Embu niwe Cecily Mbalire na minister wa public service niwe Geoffrey Ruku marai kuo. Nuati wana kuri uguo speaker Thiriku uria utarai kuo thiini wa mucemanio uyu wa igoro ni ureganite na wamuri ucio kuona arauga metekaniritie ati gwa kiama gigeka nominations na varia arauga ni ukorwo akiva arumiriri ake mwerekera muceru mithenya tuthiite.
Naivasha twe andu anana aria marenda giti twekarante Naivasha twetekaniria ni tuthi nomination na twatiga twandika statement na twacaina tuo igoro maretanire onga mathi State House mavitukia mundu tutiretekanirie kuria Naivasha tweterete kindu gitagwo nomination so ndenda kumera maundu murekire State House mauni menyu
guku akiuragia minister Geoffrey Ruku akorwo akiiga kando na uteti wa mbere iguru kuona giturwa kiu avetwe kia minister ni kia bururi mugima nuatete mbere iguru kutheri.
Ruku umisikie mchana, mimi sitakupigia magoti. Mimi sitakuja kupiga magoti kwako. Do whatever you think you can do. Hii power umepewa juzi imekukula. Sasa unaona wewe ndiye mkubwa wa kila mtu hapa Mbeere North. Uko mkubwa wa Lene Kivuti, uko mkubwa wa JB, uko mkubwa wa speaker, uko mkubwa wa kila mtu. I want to tell you, hiyo position William Ruto amekupatia ni ya Kenya. Hiyo position hapana ya Mbeere North. Ondokea Mbeere North, Mbeere North tutajipanga sisi.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Ekuruba ugiti batumite mukana kire antu arume baria bare utongerie na kubera ati 2027 bakajukia itebi bingi biria bikaringirwa kura kiaria kigomano kire kubanganitwe ni gikundi kia kiwopa mubunge wa Koroto Dorothy Muthoni augite bakagwatanira na Gen Z kuona Meru ni kuthura atongeria baba ingi ekuru kiri ithurano rya 2027 Muriuki na Nteto.
Muthiriro narua gikundi kia kithurano gia kuru kuma kimbunge nene nikio kiopa ibakinyite ndene kaunti Meru na kiote kingi ni kwa maritano atongeri mwanya bekuru kirimando jegi otongeria.
And mainly this event is to champion inclusion and looking at women in political spaces. And so we have women from the county assembly, we have former women aspirants, we have religious leaders, we have business leaders, we have wanawake katika kutoka tabaka mbalimbali.
The issue here is where are our women in the decision making table? Are we able to sit there? Are we able to influence policies? Me atokathia tutekuomba ko influence policies. When we are not there is nothing for us.
Amna bobo akiaria ndoro de Muthoni urane mubunge okorotwa augite nande morto jwao ni gutigire kurubonde bakwitho bakiromba ite bire bionde kisiasa ndene kaunti Meru.
Baba bonde bale aja ni potential candidates by every position. Kwa mwakoro otiomba kwa governor, kwa mwakoro otiomba kwa senator, kwa mwakoro otiomba kwa MP. All these women here na bara ba injana area. It's not limited to all women are potential candidates. These are sitting MCAs, sitting MPs, aspiring MCAs, aspiring MPs, aspiring everything, aspiring senators like me. They are free. And I'm encouraging every
akiuria kuru baketho bagitindikanira muno kigitika mubunge omwe kuru indi betho bakiromba ite bingi.
And I'm encouraging all of you. Ito tiga kauche ukinyangana ira gitike women rep peke yake. Yes. We all squeeze and fight for one position. Ito occupy spaces si winge. Can we occupy?
Yes. Ara morto joje kuru baugite nandi ndikuwatana na mbeu mbethe ndikenda gutigira kithurano biejete sauti ciao ikwithwo ikigikana.
And I'm also asking our young people, let us come up. Batu corona to itwene ana baba inyene agencies. Batu to ati map corona agencies. We occupy. That is what we are saying. That's what we are saying. Ontuana ibeto koro iba muete this time. Tugete kaneria mwakoro togan what to propose for this to titonge. Tugete kaneria nataka to kwenda kuenja out men from their spaces, but we want to tell them this time they will not have a tise. Tueku mono na bakaigua gwa batwe to abatigeria avant gender room.
Na ito aria na beto inyabo bajuke ibande ekoro bakagwata na agencies o mweshimwa Muthoni auga ndena uma toga change narrative in the country right now na tugachenjia mandu maingi muno na kinya Meru yetu ikiendelea gukara bwega na ekare na thiri
bakiuria kagita kare koro barathuru itene bethobero rungika bakienda kuonania mungono jo mwega ndwekuru kagita karaba otongeria
chacha kaunti Meru batwe turi atongeria antu baba ingi bomba kuthugania rira mwekuru atongeretie cha batwe twari na governor mwekuru na ekuru bakathugania pengine ka mwekuru ri otongeretie twamuitere nontu twamuthurire nontu kari mwekuru no iotongeria ari na bubo buthuku na itukwenda kwikira atongeria baba ingi Weru na kwira ekuru baba ingi ibatonyo otongeriene Pedro bena mitugo mega na tukaba support nontu mwekuru mutongeria itwija ketho na mitugo mega agatongeria bobwega
turira ekuru bakagwa ibaumire bakaya wakanya nontu twanya turio in our parties, relevant parties anto ibarungame nafasi mbali na ndena uma ekoro bakaumira na bagasupport ekoro bangi na gatukuromba mwekoro kaya wagite nontu bakaya waite bakaria ite biu na bamenye ana ale baba le nyumieto na ana baba le nyumieto ibo baraidete guru na ibwega Muthoni
Muthuri Murioki Weru TV Muthuri Kangangi.
Gikundi kimwe gia karibantere cia Kachigembe South nikirutanirite bunene gukiria motoro janto bara batiguchiumba maturene muno kirirutere rwa kithomo. Gikundi gikirungurwa rietoro Life Shining CBO kiriuga amwe nabo nigie gukurukira mathina mwanya jari kuongereka kwanto bara bari namo batuna nande ne bakode thirikari kubaringanje kikenda bomba gutungatira antu baba ingi nkuruki. Dennis Mugendi na gutwacho.
Life Shining CBO gikundi kia matura kiambiritwe ni akaribaka chio gicone kia ubunge kia Igembe South kiria mworoto ni witethia bebongwa nyuma ya kuona uria thina ciba ingirite indi batina mubatethia tio kuri na atongiria bathirikari bathuri. Eunice Gitonga Karingo imurungamiri gikundi ki
scholarship ngaitakia na keromba irana barabate na naina uterio ndekuendelea ora ngweta metira nkedera challenge inge yeta nkedera muntu atora nyumba tetorao kaigwa kona wiro cia umara ngeta renge nkalobe nkaringa biashara ciako nkona mbia nkaura mtora wiro cia
akariba bali na wendi bunene bagutethia indi baligo batina thari na ikyo bakuromba atongiria bathirikari na bate bakithirikari kubagwata njara ni kenda nabo batamburukia yao kiribangi bare bali na maubatu maturene
manene tuwe yote gewa ni mbegoro kwa Yesu asifiwe. Na nonto daide ninka angembia sirikali tero maoi muntu yawenka daide no organization ndaromba wonde orofo na kilipwe na imutongoria na inambete cia sirikali netie certificate ye na bantu tokandika proposal ekundike kithanwe mbesa.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, Ntuleni Akiji, Wandini Akachio, Igembe South, County ya Meru.
President Ruto norete nthiguru cionthe guchwanjira mwanya ira ciumba kuongera katharikiri kurwana mpara na kureta bia kuria biri na rigwa kiara kiri kigomana kebiri ke UN kebia kuria kira kuthithikira Stocktik Ethiopia. Ruto no gite ate ni kwethiritwe amwe nabo na girerire nene kiri kwa nthiguru bia kuria bia kungana na bitena ukwati kiri antu no kuri na mantu jangi jama ingi na jama nene jabatere kugitwa
1.5 million children through the Thaa Ithatu Declaration. Ethiopia's bold
4 years ago, the United Nations convened the inaugural Food System Summit to galvanize global transformation in the way we produce, process, distribute, and consume food. We take stock once more. The picture is mixed. Undeniably, we have made meaningful and significant progress in providing the world with more sufficient, safe, and nutritious food, contributing to reductions in poverty and hunger. The global food system now contributes between 10% and 12% of global GDP, translating to about $8 trillion. This progress has improved livelihoods, created new opportunities, and raised living standards for millions worldwide. However, this encouraging trajectory is not universal. Starvation, malnutrition, and undernutrition remain a harsh daily reality for far too many. At the same time, health challenges such as obesity and diet-related diseases are increasing at an alarming rate, causing illness and hampering socio-economic development.
Despite progress, the African continent faces mounting challenges. Yet Africa can feed itself and help feed the world. But this requires, first, development financing. Africa needs predictable concessional finance to invest in agriculture, rural transformation, infrastructure, and nutrition.
Tukire nkatho cha mwanya mutegeri no ntuba kuona kanya kugwatanira na uni utukubona no ntuba antumedi cha kukurukira 23578 na kinyago tiga wa twariria kukurukira mitandao yetu itanambere gukenera mibango Weru TV nkwendere kagita gakega Antonia Morin kinya kirimi on bita kwa NTINYARI kinyo mwana nerio mathithio tukubona arwa okari morin kirime.